The all-new Mazda CX-80 has been named Best-in-Class Large SUV by Euro NCAP in its latest series of tests. This prestigious recognition underscores Mazda's commitment to safety and innovation. In 2024, Euro NCAP tested a total of 44 cars, with the Mazda CX-80 emerging as the top performer in the large SUV category and achieving a close victory over the Audi Q6 e-tron. This recognition is a testament to Mazda's dedication to providing the highest level of safety for its customers. The Mazda CX-80 achieved an outstanding 92% score in adult occupancy, with full marks in both the lateral and rear impact tests. It scored an impressive 88% in child occupancy, ensuring the highest level of protection for younger passengers. The vehicle secured an 84% score for vulnerable road users, highlighting Mazda's dedication to pedestrian and cyclist safety. Additionally, it achieved a 79% score in safety assist, demonstrating Mazda's commitment to equipping its vehicles with the latest safety technologies. The Mazda CX-80's superior safety performance is complemented by its comfort, convenience, and versatility, making it a standout in the 7-seat SUV segment. Crafted in Japan, this flagship model embodies Mazda's design and engineering excellence. Its exceptional safety ratings reflect Mazda's dedication to customer safety. The 5-star rating is supported by Mazda's SkyActiv multi-solution scalable architecture, enhancing driving dynamics with a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout and rear-biased all-wheel drive. With 3 rows of seating, the CX-80 is the most spacious vehicle in Mazda's European range, offering comfort, versatility, advanced technology, and Mazda's driving performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Drive safe.